make a second language in our country because our students will be in English. So thank you. Honorable Prime Ministers, Human Resources and Development Scheme and Teachers and Events, Dr. Oshim Kumar Das and Bagla High School Chairman has gifted a joyous tour for your success, isn't it? Yes. Students, there is no such a beautiful arrangement in the history of 100 years, isn't it? Yes. It is the first time at Bagla High School. The competition like this every year, the student will increase result. This result made that by everyone member, SMC members. So we saw they are doing everyday school 30 to eyes. If the students or any girl or boys, doses. In this way,